welcome to Kavi Art Studio. My name is Kavitha. Today I am going to show you flowers Diya making and painting with the simple techniques and beautiful. To make the Diya, we need terracotta clay. This clay is available in stationery shops or online also. Take some amount of the clay, then add some water and knead it like a smooth dough. We have to knead the clay more and more and add some water to get the medium consistency. Friends, I am taking lemon size of the clay for the medium size diya. First we have to make a round ball shape, then slowly we have to start giving the diya shape, round diya shape. Slowly we have to give the shape. So now once it becomes like kind of diya, then we have to give the finishing. We have to make it smooth with water. We have to fill the cracks. Generally whenever we are making any clay products, you will see cracks. So then we can fill the cracks with the help of the water. Just take some water and rub it on the crack parts, then it will become smooth. Some depth. We have to make it slowly, step by step, to make it smooth and good looking. We can add, we can keep finishing touch with the water. This is our traditional round shape diya. So if you want to keep it like this, you can keep it. Here I am going to make something different out of it. So it's going to be like flower shape, flower petals shape diya. To get flower petals shape diya, we have to make it 4 points. 4 equal parts. So near the points we have to press with our fingers so that that will become a kind of a sharp edge. So 4 sides we have to make like that. so that it will come like 4 center points and in the middle kind of petal shape. So now petal shapes Diya is ready, friends. It will take 2 days time to dry, so this Diya has to dry naturally. We should not keep it in sunlight. If you keep it in the sunlight, you will get the cracks. Friends, now I am making a base for Diya. Take more clay than the Diya clay, then make a flat shape of it like a puri. Just fill the cracks with water. Make it a smooth layer of it. Once it becomes even and smooth, then we have to start giving any shape. Here I am going to make again petal shape only. So to make the petal shape, you can take help of any needle or anything, any pottery tool if you have. Just we have to cut the extra clay. If you are good in drawing, then directly you can draw whatever shape you want to make. Otherwise, roughly you have to draw separately on paper or something. Then you can try on the clay, so that it will be easy for you. If you get any cracks and all, you can fill the cracks with water. For any kind of clay art, apply some water and make it smooth, so that the cracks will be disappear. So now the petal shape base is ready, friends. Now we have to keep it dry for 2 days. After 2 days it will be like this. So you can paint choice of your colors. Here I am going to make a kind of pinkish violetish color. You have to paint evenly, friends. Just plain coat. Once the basic coat is done, we have to keep it for dry. At least it takes 1 or 2 hours. Okay, once the basic coat is done, it will be like this, friends. So on this, now I am going to make a flower design. Simple flower designs, freehand designs, friends. Also, I repeated the same design because it will be easy for you to make a freehand, and it looks simple and beautiful also. And try any simple design, friends, not only flowers, any kind of designs. Now the Diyas are ready, friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.